Well, if you live or work in Atlanta, your tax bills will be late this year.
The tax commissioner's office is behind, and that means that all the income from property taxes won't be coming into the city on time. CBS Atlanta's Harry Samler has been asking the tough questions about what's becoming a really big budget crisis.
Well, the city of Atlanta expects to get $191 million from property taxes. But there is a huge delay because so many property owners are filing an appeal on their tax bills.
Right now, we don't have a schedule as to when the tax bills are going out or when we're going to see our first dollar. So from a cash standpoint, folks, that worries me.
Jim Glass, Atlanta's CFO. He was brought in 9 months ago to get the city's books straightened out. What a mess he walked into. And this latest financial crisis, it's beyond his control and Mayor Franklin's.
And many tens of thousands of people filed objections, that's not the technical term, appeals for their taxes.
The city's biggest cash flow, nearly $200 million, comes from property taxes collected on homes and businesses. Those tax bills normally go out this month. The city says right now it doesn't know when the bills will go out. By law, the county must handle the appeals. That puts the city and the county tax commissioner on hold.
Right now, I have a very good relationship with Dr. Ferdinand, and I know he does everything in his power to get those tax bills out as quickly as he can. I will tell you, from my perspective, I see the issue coming from the Fulton County Tax Assessor's Office.
Worst case scenario, if the property tax money doesn't start flowing into the city by December, the city may have to move cash around and go into its cash reserves. Just got a response from Fulton County. Commissioners will go before a judge on Monday about all of those appeals. The county wants anyone who's appealed their property taxes to pay 85% of the bill now. If the judge agrees, the earliest the bills would be sent out this year, mid-October. In the newsroom, Harry Samler, CBS Atlanta News.
The one bit of good news today from the mayor, she did not announce any layoffs or furloughs. That includes public safety. She says the city is still on track to hire 139 new officers by the end of the year. Then they can start their training.